Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain True Finance app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, in 2025, the True Finance app offers user combination of credit score monitoring, budgeting tools, and interest-free cash advance up to $100 for a small monthly fee. It pulls credit information from Quickfacts, help users track spending, and aim to support financial wellness with a clean, user-friendly interface. For users looking for a lightweight app that blends credit awareness and small emergency funding, True Finance can be a useful option in that aspect. However, the downsides are clear. You must subscribe before knowing if you are eligible for a cash advance, and some user report getting approved for only $10 to $25. Others complain about difficulties canceling subscriptions, bank connection issues, and slow support. And here's my intake about this platform. True Finance is what if for credit tracking, occasional and small cash outpost, but it's not ideal if you need a reliable larger advance or don't want to risk paying for uncertain result. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't know the duration button and subscribe for more. Thanks.